Hey guys, if you've noticed that you're getting random invites right here in your Xbox, there's something that you can do about it. So what we can do is go ahead and go into our menu. So just press that Xbox button in the middle of your controller, and from there, just move down until you guys see settings. Now once you guys are in your settings, this is where we have to take care of everything. Just go right into account. After account, move on into privacy and online safety. After privacy and online safety, just look for your first option where it says Xbox Live Privacy. From here is where we take care of stuff. So usually this is what you guys want, custom, and then go into view details and customize. And then from here we just scroll down. Our fourth option will say communication and multiplayer. And this is where we take care of that. So who can send you invites and voice and text messages and all that stuff? I have it set up as everybody. That's what you probably don't want. You probably just want friends to be able to do that. That way you don't get random people sending you invites. You can also just send it as block, so no one can do that. This means not even your friends can send you those invites. However, most of you would just want your friends and not randoms send you party invites, voice, or even text. So for now, we can set that up. Now if you keep going, there will be other options such as who can use video for communication. So again, I have it set up as friends, so that's perfect. And down here below, I have others can see your activity feed. So again, you can go into everybody or just your friends. I'm just gonna set it as everybody because that's just my activity feed. I'm okay with that. Right now we are all done. We can just go back and here we go. Right now you just edited your privacy settings and we're all done with this tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.